Summer 2026 is the perfect time to upgrade your everyday carry with gear that's smarter, lighter, and built for real-world use. In this video, we're counting down 9 cutting-edge EDC essentials that combine innovation, durability, and everyday practicality. From compact organization with a durable EDC tool pouch and the sleek Ridge wallet, to powerful lighting solutions from OLIGHT Baton 4 Premium Edition and versatile multi-tools you can carry anywhere, these picks are designed to keep you prepared whether you're commuting, traveling, or tackling daily challenges. Let's dive into the must-have EDC gear that deserves a spot in your 2026 summer carry. Number 1. Tired of digging through pockets for your essentials? Meet the Maxpedition Platy Pocket Organizer. Reason 1. Slim enough for everyday pocket carry. It slips into jackets, pants, or bags easily. No bulky pouch ruining your clean, mobile setup. Reason 2. Built tough for real-world use. Made from rugged 500D water-resistant coated nylon. That means better protection against wear, weather, and travel. YKK zippers add smooth, reliable performance every time. Double stitching and bar tacking boost long-term durability. Reason 3. Smart organization for daily carry. Multiple compartments keep your flashlight, pen, and multi-tool sorted. Your notebook, keys, and small tools stay easy to grab. No more rummaging when you need something fast. The removable paracord lanyard gives you carry flexibility. Wear it crossbody, around your neck, or on your belt. Prefer pocket carry? Remove the lanyard in seconds. The top webbing loop makes grabbing effortless. Hang it, clip it, or lift it instantly. Compact outside, surprisingly efficient inside. That's exactly what serious EDC users appreciate. Travelers love how it keeps essentials organized on the move. Outdoor users value the rugged build and quick access. Every detail feels made for practical, everyday performance. If you want cleaner carry, this pouch delivers. If you want tougher gear, this pouch delivers. If you want smarter organization, this pouch delivers. Grab the Maxpedition Platy Pocket Organizer now. Upgrade your EDC setup with one compact powerhouse. Tap to order and keep your essentials ready. Number 2. Ever try commuting with noisy trains and non-stop distractions? My music kept getting crushed by chatter and engine roar. Calls were worse, with wind stealing every important word. I needed earbuds that could actually keep up. Then I spotted the JBL Live Pro 2. The silver design instantly caught my attention on screen. Small, sleek, and made for all-day wear. What really hooked me was true adaptive noise cancelling. It automatically adjusts, blocking chaos wherever I go. I also loved the smart ambient mode, perfect when I need awareness without removing earbuds. Then I saw the 40-hour battery life. 10 hours in buds, 30 more in case. A quick 5-minute charge gives 4 more hours. That means less panic, more listening, more moving. The 6 microphones sealed the deal immediately. They make calls sound crisp, clear, and confident. No more repeating myself in noisy places. VoiceAware even lets me hear my own voice. That makes conversations feel natural and effortless. The oval tips fit snugly and stay comfortable. Better fit means better bass and stronger isolation. Now, my commute feels premium, calm, and powerful. Work calls sound sharp, even from busy streets. My playlists hit harder, cleaner, and longer. Wireless charging keeps everything easy and hassle-free. Honestly, this is the upgrade I needed. So why keep fighting bad sound every day? Ready to level up your commute and calls? Grab the JBL Live Pro 2 now. Number 3. Tired of bulky wallets dragging down your pocket? Meet the Ridge wallet, built for modern everyday carry. Reason 1. It keeps your cards protected. Its aluminum shell blocks RFID scanners and digital theft, so your credit cards stay safer everywhere you go. Reason 2. It stays incredibly slim and practical. Carry 1 to 12 cards without stretching it out. It slides easily into your front pocket, never bulky. The quick access notch makes grabbing cards effortless. No more fumbling at checkout or airport security lines. Reason 3. It's built to last for years. Military-grade materials and lifetime guarantee bring real peace of mind. If parts wear out, Ridge helps replace them. That's premium quality with serious long-term value. Need cash too? The integrated cash strap handles it. Secure bills outside, while keeping your carry compact. It looks sharp, feels solid, and travels light. Perfect for minimalists who want less clutter, more function. Great for commuters, travelers, and everyday carry enthusiasts. This wallet fits your routine without slowing you down. Slim profile, premium build, smarter organization, better protection. That's exactly what a modern wallet should deliver. Upgrade your pocket with a cleaner, stronger solution. Choose Ridge for style, security, and everyday convenience. Once you switch, you won't want bulky wallets again. Make the move to a wallet that earns its place. Tap the link, check the details, and compare styles. Find the Ridge wallet that matches your carry, then grab yours before the next trip or commute. Ridge wallet. Slim, secure, and ready for anything. Number 4. Ever needed a knife that just feels ready? Out on the trail, small cutting jobs pop up fast, and flimsy tools always seem to slow everything down. That's where the Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops steps in. It's a compact 7.1-inch folding knife for everyday carry. The 3.1-inch serrated blade gives you extra cutting bite. Built with 7CR17 MOV stainless steel for dependable strength. The black oxide finish adds a clean, tactical look. Its aluminum handle keeps it lightweight and easy to carry. At just 3.5 ounces, it won't weigh you down. Clip it to your pocket and go hands-free. The finger flipper makes opening quick and natural. Ambidextrous thumb knobs make one-handed use simple, so whether lefty or righty, it feels effortless. The liner lock helps keep the blade securely in place. That means more confidence during everyday cutting tasks. Jimping on the spine adds better control and grip. The serrations help with rope, cord, and tougher materials. Perfect for camping, hiking, and quick utility jobs. It also fits right into a solid EDC setup. You get a knife that's practical without feeling bulky. It opens fast, carries easy, and works when needed. That's the kind of reliability outdoor users appreciate. And the black finish gives it a sleek, rugged style, whether you're packing for the woods or daily errands. This folding knife stays ready without getting in the way. Smith & Wesson backs it with a limited lifetime warranty. So you're getting utility, confidence, and long-term value. If you want a compact knife that earns its spot, the Extreme Ops SWA-24S is an easy recommendation. Check it out and see how useful it feels every day. Number 5. Ever lose your pen right when you need it? I used to borrow pens all the time. Cheap pens felt flimsy, messy, and forgettable. Then I found this titanium bolt-action EDC pen. It's small, solid, and made for everyday carry. The sandblasted finish gives it a clean, premium look, and the compact size slips into any pocket easily. At just 0.4 ounces, it barely weighs anything. You can clip it to your bag or backpack, or carry it on a keyring or carabiner. That makes it perfect for work, travel, or school. The bolt-action mechanism feels smooth and satisfying. Just click, lock, and you're ready to write. It also doubles as a fun little fidget tool. I like how balanced it feels in the hand. Not too light, not too heavy, just right. Writing feels steady, clean, and surprisingly comfortable. It uses Schneider G2 refills for smooth, everyday writing. So when the ink runs out, replacement is easy. No need to throw the whole pen away. The titanium alloy body adds serious durability. It's strong, rust-resistant, and built to last. Honestly, it feels more like a premium tool than just another pen sitting in your drawer. If you love EDC gear, this one stands out. If you work in an office, it looks sharp too. And as a gift, it feels thoughtful and useful for teachers, doctors, colleagues, or close friends. Compact, durable, and ready whenever you are. Try the KeyUnity KP01SW and carry better every day. Number 6. Comparing mini flashlights. Choose power, runtime, and portability first. Regular keychain lights are tiny, but often disappoint in emergencies. They save space, yet brightness usually drops too quickly. OLIGHT Baton 4 changes that with 1,300 lumens in pocket size. That means strong light for camping, walking, and backup use. Most compact lights struggle to reach distance clearly. Baton 4 throws light up to 170 meters, so you see farther, faster, and with better confidence. Hands busy? Many flashlights still need awkward gripping. Baton 4 adds a magnetic base for instant hands-free attachment. Clip it to your belt, pack, or metal surface. This makes night repairs, campsite tasks, and emergencies easier. Charging can be another weakness in small flashlights. Baton 4 includes an upgraded USB-C charging box. It extends runtime up to 190 days. That is serious endurance for travel and preparedness kits. Unlike basic lights, it also tracks power clearly. The flashlight shows brightness and battery status at a glance. The case adds a digital display for precise monitoring, so you always know when to recharge, not guess. Need flexibility? Many compact lights offer only 1 or 2 modes. Baton 4 gives you 6 lighting modes for different situations. Turbo, high, medium, low, moonlight, and strobe are all included. That range suits camping, reading, signaling, and urgent response. Compared with ordinary EDC lights, this is a premium upgrade. Compact size, powerful output, hands-free use, and long runtime combine well. If you want one flashlight for daily carry and emergencies, this stands out. It fits campers, EDC users, and preparedness-minded buyers. Choose Baton 4 when reliability matters more than bargain specs. OLIGHT Baton 4 Premium Edition. Small size, serious performance, ready anytime. Number 7. The night trail went dark. My flashlight vanished again. A second later, panic hit. No light, no signal. I fumbled through my bag, expecting another dead gadget. Then I found something shockingly tiny. At first, it looked like a pen, nothing more. But this pocket-sized body hid serious power. Meet the ThruNite Archer Mini. Just 3.27 inches, only 1.2 ounces. Smaller than most pens, yet built for emergencies. I clicked the tail switch, instant brightness exploded. 405 lumens cut through the darkness like daylight. The beam reached up to 285 feet ahead. No harsh glare, just smooth TIR lighting. Perfect for hiking trails, dog walks, and blackouts. Then came the real surprise. It recharged with USB-C, hidden neatly inside. No special charger, no battery scrambling, no drama. Just plug in and power up anywhere, even in rain, mud, or rough outdoor conditions. Its IPX8 waterproof design keeps going without fear, and with 7.5 hours runtime, it stays ready. The clip made carrying almost too easy. Pocket, hat brim, backpack strap, instant hands-free access. For mechanics, nurses, campers, and first responders, it's perfect. One button handles high, low, and strobe modes fast. Lockout mode stops accidental activation in your bag. No wasted battery, no surprise drain, no frustration. This tiny flashlight turned panic into total control. Built from aluminum alloy, trusted by over 1 million users. Backed by a 2-year replacement warranty, for peace of mind. If you want a real EDC upgrade, choose Archer Mini. Get yours now before the next darkness hits. Number 8. Ever needed scissors, a cutter, and a superhero? Because apparently my pockets enjoy suffering. Keys jangling, gear missing, emergency arriving like, now? Then I found this tiny chaos-fixing legend. Meet the Bibbery BI2052A Mini Multi-Tool. Yes, it fits on a keychain. Yes, it looks way too cool. And yes, it has 8 functions. Scissors for real cutting, not tragic tearing. Seatbelt cutter for when life goes full action movie. Window breaker for dramatic exits, just in case. Bottle opener, because survival deserves refreshments. File for fixing edges before they ruin your vibe. Replaceable scalpel blade for clean, sharp precision. Tweezers for tiny problems with huge confidence. And a keychain clip to stay attached forever. It weighs only 5.4 ounces, which is basically pocket-friendly wizardry. Folded size? Smaller than my patience. Built from 3KR13 stainless steel for serious durability. Rust? Corrosion? Not invited to this party. Camping, hiking, fishing, road trips, or home fixes. this little beast stays ready. Even the scissors are impressively sharp. So yes, it actually does the job. Basically, it's the emergency kit's cool cousin. A perfect gift for men, women, and gear nerds. Father's Day, birthdays, Christmas, or random legend behavior. Just remember the tweezers go on the logo side. Otherwise, the multi-tool may get a little dramatic. So if you like practical things with main character energy, grab the Bibbery Mini multi-tool and stay dangerously prepared. Number 9. Tired of bulky keychains and tools? Meet the KU0 Titanium Quickdraw Carabiner. Small in size, serious in everyday performance. Reason 1. Premium titanium strength you can trust. It's lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and built for daily abuse. 4 times stronger than ordinary stainless steel organizers. Reason 2. 3 tools, 1 compact carry, quick-release key holder, folding knife, and 2-inch ruler. All packed into a palm-sized EDC Essential. Need to open, cut, or measure fast? This multi-tool keeps everything within easy reach. The replaceable JH10 blade is ready when needed. Its 90-degree stop design adds safer handling. Reason 3. Quick access without the hassle. 1 push lever gives you fast, smooth operation. The spring gate stays resilient and dependable. No more digging through pockets for your keys. The anti-loss structure helps keep essentials secure. Clip it on your belt loop or backpack. Perfect for commuting, camping, fishing, or hiking. It also makes a sharp gift for practical people. EDC lovers will appreciate the clean titanium build. Outdoor users will love the grab-and-go convenience. And gift buyers get something useful, stylish, and memorable. You get the KU0 Carabiner, titanium bead, and paracord. Plus, a minimalist tool that works hard every day. Not for climbing, but perfect for keys and carry. Upgrade your pocket setup with smarter everyday gear. Tap to get yours before it's gone. Carry less, do more, and stay ready. That wraps up our list of 9 cutting-edge EDC essentials for your 2026 summer carry. Whether you're looking to stay organized, improve your daily preparedness, or simply upgrade your gear with modern high-performance tools, these products offer something for every EDC enthusiast. If you found a new favorite or discovered a tool you didn't know you needed, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends who appreciate practical everyday carry gear. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next EDC Countdown with more innovative tools and everyday carry inspiration.